Yes.
So the most important thing to know about your eyes is, are the eyes round? Are they almond shaped like yours?
Almond.
Or are they deep set? She has this very Angelina Jolie shaped eye, so we're gonna really play with that.
Here. So this is for round.
And the thing about round is they flare out. That's the one thing you want to remember. They flare out.
Okay, and this is for almond. What's the difference with almond?
Almond shape, you want to make sure that they're full and short on the inner and outer corner. See, I actually love a latex-free glue. The reason why we like latex-free is because most women are allergic to latex.
Okay.
Now, latex-free always dries clear. And the way you want to apply the glue, if you notice, I'm holding it with tweezers. Oils from your fingertips, you never want to touch the lash, because when you get ready to go and apply that lash, it could possibly lift with the oils from your fingers. Always start the lash in the very center. You take it and you just want to sit it there. Don't worry about it. Sit it down and give it a chance to stick. Now, whether you're using the lash bullet or tweezers, you want to take the corner then and tuck it. Just like so. Now you want to take the other corner and tuck it. It's another great tip. Put your eyeliner on before you put the lash on, as well as mascara.
Okay.
And now I'm just taking the end of the tweezers and pressing her lash down. Just like so. And you can even use your finger to manipulate the lash some. So I love these, Stacey. I'm gonna give you these as well. So these are lashes that are doubled or tripled up, and then these here are your single lash. I'm gonna take a shorter triple lash. We're gonna add a little glue to it. We're gonna play her eyes more to the round side. More, just sit it right on top. Just like so. And add some more dimension.
So to get dimension, you would just use one of the triple.
Or you can use as many as you want. Just layer away.
Flare out.
As long as they flare out. Again, with almond-shaped eyes, you want to focus on the center there, remember, because your lashes for almond-shaped eyes, which is your eye shape, need to be short and full on the corners.